All right, let's feed you too. Hey, Pippi, you ready for some food? Yeah? No, Emma. Emma, no. Pippi, Emma, no. Good girl. What about you? Huh? Can you sit down over here? Can you sit down? Sit. Oh, good girl, Emma. Is it yummy? Can you sit down? Sit. Sit. Now I'll get some pellets for the chickens. So where Emma runs around like a psychopath, she gets very excited about feeding the chickens. Hello, ladies. G'day. Ready for some food? Hey, you're gonna have to go back in. Come on, please. This way. Up, 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 up. There we go. Watch your feet. Oh, watch out. I don't want to step on you. Wait, don't peck me. Put a bit on the ground. They scare the shit out of me, these things, so they peck my hands. There we go. I'll go get you some greens, huh? Any eggs? Oh, 3 eggs? You bloody beauty. That's amazing. Thanks, ladies. Legends.